Hello everyone, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas for the week starting today, 27th of April 2020. Before I go into the trading ideas, I'll announce the winner of the contest for the flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4. Right now on your screen you should see the name of the winner. So congratulations, and also thanks everybody for participating. I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing you need to do to participate is to leave a comment below this video on YouTube, and the next week I'll pick one winner from the comments. Alright, that person will win the flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4. Now, let's go into the trading ideas. Let's go into intraday trading ideas. Let's have a look at the Australian dollar, Swiss franc. All those three charts show the Australian dollar, Swiss franc, and as you can see, there is a strong buying activity in here. There is an uptrend, and when there is an uptrend like that, I'm looking for significant volume clusters which were created within the uptrend. This is volume cluster number 1, which is very nicely visible on a weekly volume profile. Heaviest volume peak from this volume cluster is at 0.6214. This is what I think is a strong support somewhere in this area. And what I think happened here was buyers were pushing the price upwards, then they were rotating in here and they were building up their buying positions, those buying positions. And after that, they continued pushing the price upwards aggressively. So when there's a pullback, this area, I think that those buyers are likely to defend their buying positions and to push the price upwards from this area again. Now the second support level is in here. This is the volume cluster which it is based on, and the heaviest volumes in that volume cluster were at 0.6171, and I think that this place the buyers were also adding to their buying positions and pushing the price upwards from there. So when there is a pullback to this area, I think that those buyers will be defending their buying positions and are likely to push the price upwards from this area again. By the way, you can also see all those levels in here. This is a 30-minute chart. I used the flexible volume profile over this trend area, this area, this is this area. This is the second level. And I also had a third one. It is in here. Third strong support at 0.6131. And it is based on this volume cluster, which got created right before the start of this strong buying activity. Now, this is where it all started. So I think buyers were building up their buying positions in here. Afterwards started this strong buying activity. So again, when there is a pullback to this support, I expect a buying reaction. If you look at the fixed weekly profile in here, then this level is actually a little bit lower. The heaviest volumes are actually a little bit lower, somewhere in here. But I think that the strong support starts in here because of those volumes right there. Alright, so that's why it's a little bit higher than if I were using the weekly profile, then it would be a little bit lower. But it doesn't really matter, even if the price overshoots the first level and hits the second one, it shouldn't be a problem. You should be able to enter along and participate on the buying activity from this area. Alright, so that's the three intraday supports on the Australian dollar, Swiss franc. Let's now move forward. Let's have a look at the Euro Canadian dollar. So this is the Euro Canadian dollar, and there was a selling activity downtrend, and afterwards there was a rotation, and from that rotation strong buying activity started. So this actually looks like an end to the downtrend and maybe start of a rotation or an uptrend. Now if you look at the volumes in this rotation, you can see them very nicely in here, pretty massive volumes if you compare to the rest of the whole week. So I used the flexible profile to look inside this rotation area. That's it. only on a 30-minute time frame. If I zoom it in a bit, you'll see that the level which I printed is at the point of control of this area. The heaviest volumes throughout this rotation were created at 1.5160, and from that place the strong buying activity started. So I think that when there is a pullback to this area again, it could work as a strong support, and the buyers who are building up their positions in here will start defending their buying positions, and they're likely to push the price upwards from this area again. Now, one more thing which I wanted to show you is in here, this volume cluster already tested. There were heavy volumes created in this rotation. Then there was a pullback with those volumes and a nice reaction. That's the trend setup, the same setup I showed you on the Australian dollar Swiss franc a few moments ago. This level is already tested, this support is already tested, but I just thought it's worth mentioning. Alright, so that's the strong support on the Euro Canadian dollar. Let's move on. Let's have a look at the Australian dollar Canadian dollar. There's a strong buying activity which started on Friday and continued today. And in this strong buying activity, there were some volume clusters. So let's have a look at them. The closest one was in here, this one. And I actually had a support level there. If you look at it like this was the support. It already got tested, so I won't be trading this anymore. The second one is in here, 0.9001, and this is the volume cluster right there. What I also like about this support is not only the volumes of the buyers who are pushing the price upwards and adding to their positions there in this area, but what I also like is that the price rejected this area in the past pretty strongly, and it means that it was a strong resistance. When the price went past it, the resistance then turned into a support. Alright, so we have the volume cluster and also resistance turning into a support. Now there's also one level, one strong support in here, 0.8965, and this one is based on those volumes which got created before the start of this strong buying activity. So I think that buyers who are building up their buying positions in here, and when there's a pullback to this area, those buyers will be likely to defend their buying positions and to push the price upwards from this area again. Alright, so two strong intraday supports on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. And if you guys would like to learn more about trading with the volume profile, VWAP and price action, visit my website, trader-dale.com, and go to trading course and tools in here. And there are 3 educational packages which I developed for you to learn how to trade. The first one is called the Learning Pack, and it consists of volume profile video course and volume profile indicators. The second pack is called the Trading Pack, and it consists of Dale's trading levels, which means that every day you'll be getting my personal trading levels for intraday trading and for swing trading. And you'll also get the volume profile pack for NinjaTrader 8 and MetaTrader 4. And the pack which I personally recommend is the Elite pack. It includes all from the 2 packs above, so you'll get the volume profile course, you'll get my personal trading levels, you'll get volume profile indicators, and as a bonus, you'll get the VWAP indicator for NinjaTrader 8. Alright, so that's for this video, guys. I hope you like it, I hope you found it useful. I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, stay safe and happy trading.